during which Malta was chair in office of the Commonwealth, I had both the pleasure and the privilege of interacting and working closely alongside Dr. George Vella. He was utterly dependable and supportive as Foreign Minister. Then, having relinquished that high office, he generously accepted my invitation to serve in his personal capacity as a member of the high-level group to review the governance arrangements of the Commonwealth. For all these contributions, we have reason to be immensely thankful. Over and above that, we respect Dr. Vella as a person for his kindness and sense of honour, his devotion to his country and to the Commonwealth. His professional background shines through in his concern for the well-being of the individual. I know he will carry this forward in new ways as President of Malta, representing and drawing together the people and institutions of the country in harmony and hope. I wish my dear friend George every blessing and success as he takes up his great responsibility of upholding those fine and characteristic Maltese traditions of which he himself is such a great exemplar. Pride in national identity and achievement, and commitment to international respect and understanding.